Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with conducting plate. Today's topic, parallel plate capacitor with conducting plate. In the previous class we had calculate capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with dielectric material. लास्ट क्लास में हम लोग कैपेसिटेंस को कैलकुलेट किए थे, लेकिन प्लेट के बीच क्या था, डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब था। एंड टुडेस कैलकुलेट कैपेसिटेंस बट कंडक्टिंग प्लेट। प्रोसेस सेम होगा। फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ a two conductor A and conductor B. This conductor has surface charge density plus sigma and this conductor has surface charge density minus sigma. Now the electric field between the two plate is plus 2 minus, it is denoted by E naught, and the distance between two plate is D. दिस प्लेट इज इन एयर और वैक्यूम। ये प्लेट कहाँ है, या तो एयर में है और वैक्यूम में। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर इन एयर। द capacity of capacitor with vacuum between the plate is what? The capacity of capacitor with vacuum between the plate is what? C naught is equal to epsilon naught A by D. This is equation first. C naught means it is in vacuum, denoted by C naught, capacity denoted by C naught, epsilon naught A by D. This is equation 1. After that, if we introduce a conducting slab between the plate, means if we introduce a conducting slab between the plate, what will happen? As we know that this is the direction of electric field from A to B, but slab is what? Conducting. How is slab? Slab is conducting, means inside the electric field of the conducting slab is equal to 0. कंडक्टिंग स्लैब के इनसाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा? 0। हम लोग प्रीवियस क्लासेस में प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस में हम लोग इसको पढ़ चुके हैं कि इनसाइड कोई भी कंडक्टर के इनसाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होता है? 0. The thickness of slab is T. Let us introduce a conducting slab. Let us introduce a conducting slab between the plate. Then क्या होगा? Electric field is equal to 0. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज इक्वल टू 0। अब यह स्लैब इसमें फील्ड करने के बाद पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी क्रिएट होगा। तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जो क्रिएट होगा वह कितना होगा? नाउ इफेक्टिव पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, नाउ effective potential difference between the plate is what? V is equal to potential of interior part, potential of interior part and potential of the medium. So potential of interior part plus potential of medium. We know that potential, the value of potential is equal to E into D. The value of potential is equal to E into D, or V is equal to what? V interior. V interior, interior में electric field E naught. E naught इंटीरियर कौन सा? जो गैप वाला है, वैक्यूम वाला, into distance. So thickness of conducting slab is T and the distance between two parallel plate is D. So interior distance D minus T, D minus T plus electric field. Electric field what? 0 inside the conductor. Electric field is 0 into T is equal to 0, or V is equal to E naught into D minus T. Since electric field between the conductor, electric field between the conductor is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, or V is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught into D minus T, or V is equal to, the value of sigma is what? Charge upon area, epsilon naught D minus T. Sigma is equal to charge upon area, epsilon naught into D minus T. Now we have to find out capacitance. We know that C is equal to Q by V, or C is equal to Q and the value of V is what? Q upon A epsilon naught into D minus T. Q and Q is cancelled. Then C is equal to A epsilon naught divided by D minus T. A epsilon naught divided by D minus T, or C is equal to A epsilon naught divided by D common, then 1 minus T by D, 1 minus T by D. A epsilon naught by D from equation 1, A epsilon naught by D is equal to A epsilon naught by D is equal to C naught. Therefore C is equal to C naught divided by 1 minus T by D, 1 minus T by D means C is greater than C naught. How much? 1 upon 1 minus T by D. C क्या होगा? C greater than C naught. How much? 1 upon 1 minus T by D. Therefore C is greater than C naught. C is greater than C naught. How much? 1 upon 1 minus T by D. Now Next thing is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor of different dielectric. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor of different dielectric. प्रीवियस क्लास में हम लोग निकाले थे कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर विथ डाइलेक्ट्रिक. नाउ कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर विथ कंडक्टिंग. अब अगर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट का डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थिकनेस का अगर उसमें डाइलेक्ट्रिक को फील्ड करते हैं तो कैपेसिटी क्या होगी. तो कैपेसिटी क्या होगी. The topic is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor of different dielectric. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with different dielectric of different thickness. Means calculate करनी है capacitance but different dielectric different thickness. Means we draw two parallel plate. We draw two parallel plates. Suppose this is A, this is B. A has surface charge density plus sigma and B has surface charge density minus sigma. And the distance between two plates is D. And the distance between two plates is what? D. Then what will happen if different dielectric of different thickness, if we introduce different dielectric of different thickness between the plate, then what will be the capacity of capacitor? What will be the capacity of capacitor? Suppose this is first. Suppose dielectric constant is K1 and thickness is T1. Number 2, dielectric constant is K2 and thickness is T2. Third, thickness is T3, dielectric constant is K3 up to N. Up to N. Dielectric constant is Kn, thickness is Tn. अगर डिफरेंट डाइलेक्ट्रिक डिफरेंट थिकनेस का फील्ड करते हैं तो इसकी कैपेसिटेंस कितनी होगी. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहां से हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं कि जो एयर वाला गैप है, एयर वाला गैप मींस यह एयर गैप, इसका पहले हम लोग फाइंड आउट करते हैं. the capacity of capacitance, with air or vacuum, with vacuum between the plate, is C naught is equal to H naught A by D. This is equation 1. Now इफेक्टिव पोटेंशियल, क्योंकि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थिकनेस का है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डायरेक्टली कांस्टेंट है, तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्रिएट होगा. नाउ इफेक्टिव पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेट, इफेक्टिव पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेट. Effective potential difference between the plate. V is equal to first potential of interior gap wala and potential of medium. तो formula of V is equal to E into D. Interior electric field is what? E naught. And distance is what? Total distance is T, and this one T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn means D minus what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn. This is the value of potential, interior potential, plus potential medium means E, and thickness. Thickness is what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn. T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn. Total thickness is what? So T1, T2 plus T3, Tn. So T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn. E, value of E, since K is equal to E naught by E, therefore E is equal to what? E naught by K. E naught by K. So here E naught by K means E naught is common, T1 by K1, T2 by K2, T3 by K3 up to plus Tn by Kn. Now V is equal to E naught into D minus T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn, plus value of E is what? E naught by K1 T1 plus E naught by K2 T2 plus E naught by K3 T3 up to E naught by Kn into Tn, or V is equal to E naught is common, then T minus D minus T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to plus Tn plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3 up to Tn by Kn. Now, as we know that E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, sigma upon epsilon naught. After that, same value T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3 up to Tn by Kn. Since sigma is equal to what? Charge upon area. Sigma equal to charge upon area, or V is equal to charge upon area into epsilon naught, and rest value as it is D minus T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3 up to Tn by Kn. Now we have to find out capacitance. We know that C is equal to Q by V. Therefore, C is equal to Q by V. Q by V. Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T1 plus T2 up to Tn plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 up to Tn by Kn. Now, after that, Q and Q is cancelled out. Or C is equal to Q and Q is cancelled out. Epsilon naught A divided by D minus T1 plus T2 up to Tn plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 up to Tn by Kn. If T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn is equal to D, अगर total distance, total thickness of dielectric slab D के equal है, then the value of capacitance C is equal to epsilon naught A by D minus what? D plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3 up to Tn by Kn. So D minus D is equal to 0. D minus D is equal to 0. Then the value of capacitance is what? Epsilon naught A by T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3 plus up to Tn by Kn. Tn by Kn. This is the value of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with different dielectric of different thickness. Different dielectric of different thickness. यह जो वैल्यू है, अगर टोटल थिकनेस ऑफ डाइलेक्ट्रिक इज इक्वल टू d है तब यह वैल्यू होगा, और अगर डिफरेंट थिकनेस की है तो फॉर्मूला यह होगा। ओके, थैंक यू।